four different electronic devices beep after 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and 1 and 3/4 hour, respectively. If they beep together at 12 noon, when will they beep together again? Bring all of them in terms of minutes. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, okay. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1.5 hour, 90 minutes. 1 and 3/4 hour, 105 minutes, right? Now find the LCM of 30, 60, 90 and 105. LCM is to be found by this method. 30, 60, 90, 105 and start with 15. 15 2s are 4s are 6s are 7s are, then 2 1s are 2s are 3s are, and if you cannot divide, keep it as it is. Then again 2 1s are 1s are 3 you cannot divide, keep it as it is. Then 3 1 1 1 7, then 7 1 1 1, then multiply everyone. That becomes 1260. So 1260 minutes is the LCM of all these four. Now divide it by 60 because we have to convert it to hours. So 1260 upon 60, that is 21 hours. So 21 hours means what? Now they have beeped at 12 noon. After 21 hours means what? At 9 am next day they will again beep together.